Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Wearable Help, and my name is Prutha. Today we are talking about how to use sleep tracking on Fitbit Charge 3 and Charge 4. Sleep tracking is always an essential factor for users to choose a wearable band. Most of the customers want to track their sleep patterns and sleep scores each morning. The fitness bands or smartwatches have now become more advanced in monitoring your sleep and advise you on how to improve your daily sleep. Fitbit Charge 3 and Charge 4 are such devices to track your sleep accurately. Charge 4 is a new and advanced tracker that comes with improved tracking. Also, the sleep data in your Fitbit app detects blood oxygen saturation, which means it tells you oxygen level in your body. You just don't compare the sleep tracking of your Fitbit Charge with Fitbit Versa 3 or Fitbit Sense, as they are now more expensive. The Fitbit app has a sleep section to sync the sleep history of your Charge 3 and Charge 4. The sleep score divided in asleep, restless, and time spent awake patterns. All the Fitbit devices come with advanced sensors, and you don't have to enable sleep tracking from the app. By default, the Fitbit wearable will track your sleep pattern, and then each morning you can sync it with the Fitbit app. To use the sleep tracking on Fitbit Charge 3 and Charge 4, follow these guides. First, download and install the Fitbit app on your paired smartphone so you could sync your sleep data with the app. After that, follow these steps. First step is open Fitbit app. Second step is from the upper left corner, open your profile and then scroll down and tap on sleep. Third step, you can also open it from the main screen, search the sleep icon and click on it. Fourth step, here you will see synchronized sleep score. Then to change the score and the settings, tap on the settings icon. In the settings, you can set time as sleep goal, target sleep, schedule, bedtime reminder and sleep insights data. In the sleep goal option, you can set your sleep goal like 8 hours, 8.5 hours and 9 hours. Target sleep schedule lets you set time for bedtime and wake up time. The reminder option helps you to make a habit of sleeping on time. On specific time, it will alert you to go to bed. The tracker and paired smartphone will remind you about the sleep time. Sleep Insights includes all the regular sleep data in sleep section, and sometimes it sends you notifications. So, once you wake up in the morning, sync your Fitbit Charge 3 or Charge 4. After that, come to the sleep section and check the sleep pattern. It will definitely your sleep history in sleep score, hours sleep, sleep schedule and hours in sleep stages. Now you know how to use sleep tracking on Fitbit Charge 3 and Charge 4. The monitoring is accurate and results are comparable with Mi Band 5, Apple Watch Series 5, Hawaii Band 4 with True Sleep, Galaxy Watch 3 and Active 2. Use it every night and tell us about your sleeping pattern in the comment section. So here we have done. I hope you enjoy our video. I hope you like our video. If you like this, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.